Certainly. The Apollo 11 moon landing in 1969 was a historic event in human history. Here are 10 interesting facts about this monumental mission. 1. First manned moon landing. Apollo 11 was the first mission that successfully landed astronauts on the moon. On July 20, 1969, Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin became the first humans to set foot on the lunar surface, while Michael Collins orbited above in the command module. One small step. Neil Armstrong's famous words upon stepping onto the moon were, "That's one small step for a man, one giant leap for mankind." That is often debated due to the way it was transmitted. 3. Space race victory. The Apollo 11 mission was a significant victory for the United States in the space race against the Soviet Union. It showcased American technological prowess and innovation. 4. Lunar module name. The lunar module that landed on the moon was named Eagle. It separated from the command module and descended to the lunar surface. 5. Low fuel on descent. During the descent to the moon's surface, the Eagle lander had limited fuel left. Armstrong had to manually guide the spacecraft to avoid landing on a rocky area. They had only about 25 seconds of fuel remaining when they landed. 6. Moon rocks and soil samples. The astronauts collected nearly 50 pounds, about 22 kilograms, of moon rocks and soil samples during their moonwalk, which were brought back to Earth for scientific study. 7. Duration of stay. Armstrong and Aldrin spent approximately 21 hours on the lunar surface, conducting experiments and collecting samples, while Collins orbited the moon. 8. Old Glory on the moon. The American flag planted on the moon was knocked over when the lunar module blasted off. Due to the lack of wind and atmosphere on the moon, the flag remains motionless and preserved in that position. 9. Return to Earth. After spending about 21 hours on the moon, the astronauts left its surface and safely returned to Earth, splashing down in the Pacific Ocean on July 24, 1969. 10. Global television broadcast. An estimated 530 million people television broadcast of the Apollo 11 moon landing, making it one of the most watched televised events. The Apollo 11 mission remains an iconic achievement in space exploration, symbolizing human determination, scientific advancement, and the